Hello and welcome to another Jack Welding Specialist video. Today I will be showcasing an item we have for sale. It's a Series 2 Jaguar E-type bonnet. It's been pulled out of a scrap pile and I have repaired it or begun to repair it, and it is for sale either for repair and fit onto a car or whatever you wish. I will just turn the camera around now. So this is the bonnet. As you can see, there is a patch around here that has been repaired. If you've seen on my Instagram page, you will have seen this bonnet with the damage on the front. I have since stripped all these panels apart. I've got all the fixings and all the bits of chrome in that box. So all the panels, well, most of the panels are off the bonnet. I've straightened out a fair few of the pieces to a reasonable state, and removed a lot of the undersealer. So this is what is available. As you say, it's a genuine Series 2 bonnet, pulled out of a scrapyard. I think there was obviously it was more cost effective for the previous owner to just buy a brand new reproduction bonnet. So yeah, this is available, or maybe even if you have a restoration and you have the back half of the car but need the front half of it, we can arrange that as well. If you'd like to send any interest, please email me at jackweldingspecialist.co.uk, jackweldingspecialist@gmail.co.uk or com, I can't remember. But yeah, please follow to my business page on Instagram or my website and you will find the correct contacts. And yeah, any more questions, please feel free to ask. There doesn't seem to be much rust or other damage on this bonnet. This half of it is really nice, so thankfully with this side I've been able to copy the other side, and yeah, a little bit of paint overspray, but nothing too major. If I was to repair this, it would probably take a few weeks with a car to get it back up to scratch, as the body would need, the bonnet would need working to a body shell to make nice. Or if you would not need to put it on a car, you could make a table out of it or some piece of art. I think this is probably the easiest way to, or the cheapest choice for doing that sort of thing at the moment. I've seen a couple of these on eBay, but they are in considerably worse condition, mainly like previous repairs that are not that great. This hasn't been repaired before. They're all original panels. Nothing seems to have been bodged about. There was a little bit of extra sealer around here. I think it has been restored. It's had a respray initially, and then it has had this damage. Sorry, I might have gone back on my words then, but yeah. Yeah, if you'd like to contact for more information, go on my website or Instagram page, and I will make sure to get back to you soon. Thank you. Bye.